In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Facebook Messenger call history. We will walk through this slowly so you can follow along on Android, iPhone, or the web without getting lost. To begin, open Messenger. On a phone, tap the Messenger app icon so the app launches. On the web, open your browser and go to the Messenger site, or open Facebook and click the Messenger section. Once Messenger opens, you should see a list of recent conversations on the main screen along with profile pictures on the left and message previews on the right. If you have many chats, do not worry. We will focus on just one conversation at a time. Now, open the chat with the person or group whose call history you want to see. On mobile, simply tap their name from the conversation list. On the web, click the conversation in the left sidebar. The chat window will open, showing messages, emojis, and any previous calls with that contact. If you do not see the correct person, go back to the list and choose a different conversation. A quick tip here, if you cannot find someone, use the search bar at the top and type their name, then select the matching chat. Once the conversation is open, scroll through the conversation. Slowly drag your finger up or down on mobile, or use your mouse wheel or trackpad on a computer. As you scroll, you will see message bubbles, maybe images or stickers, and occasionally entries for calls. Older calls may appear far back in the chat history, so keep moving until you pass the time period you care about. If the chat is very active, it can help to scroll in larger jumps, then slow down when you get near the right dates. While you are scrolling, look for audio call, video call, or missed call entries in the thread. These usually appear as system-style lines, separate from regular messages. An audio call entry marks a voice call, a video call entry marks a camera call, and missed call shows someone tried to reach you and you did not answer. On some versions, you might see small icons next to these, like a phone or camera symbol, which makes them easier to spot. If you never called this person through Messenger, you simply will not see any of these call lines in that chat. When you find a call entry, tap a call entry to view available details, such as the date or duration if supported. On some devices, tapping brings up a small panel or information view that shows exactly when the call started and sometimes how long it lasted. On other setups, you may only see the date and basic status right in the chat, without extra details. Messenger stores call history within each conversation rather than in a single call log, so you need to repeat these same steps in any other chat where you want to review past calls. You just learned how to open a Messenger chat and scroll it to check the full call history stored inside that conversation. If this helped you track down an old Messenger call, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.